Welcome to how to subtract two mixed numbers. Alright, in this example I have 5 and 1/4 or 5 and a quarter minus 3 and a half. Okay, now with addition before, all we did was add the whole numbers and then add the fractions, and that was straightforward. Now I don't want to do this. I don't want to do 5 minus 3 equals 2 and 1/4 minus half. Only because in this case I have 1/4 happens to be smaller than half. Okay, so I have a little problem here. So I'm going to show you just one way of doing things and just do it from now on. Doesn't matter which one is smaller, which one is bigger. Change both numbers to improper fractions. Okay? Only do this when you have subtraction. When you do addition, just do it straightforward. But with subtraction, do it differently. Okay? So how do you change this to an improper fraction? Keep the 4, multiply 5 times 4, that's 20, and add the 1, and that's 21. And you put 21 on top, okay? Now, for this one here, you're going to keep your 2, and you're going to multiply the 2 times the 3, obviously that's a 6, plus the 1, that's a 7. Okay? So now you have both numbers as improper. Okay? Let me just rewrite that one, 7/2. Okay? So this is what we have so far. Guess what? We're subtracting two fractions with different denominators. Okay? So go back to the previous lesson. 4 and 2. What's the least common denominator? It's 4. Not 2, it's 4. So I have a 4 here, I have a 4. This happens to be not a 4. How do you make it a 4? You multiply it by 2, and you have to do the same thing to the top, okay? Alright, so what do we have so far? We have 21. I put 21 minus, and also have 7 times 2, which is 14. I'm going to put 14 here. Okay, so what's 21 minus 14? That's obviously a 7, and I'm going to put a 7 here, over 4. Okay, so my answer is 7/4. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so 7/4. This is obviously an improper fraction. How do you change it to a mixed number? 4 goes into 7 one time. You keep your denominator the same. 4 times 1 is 4. How much do you need to get to 7? You need a 3. Okay, so it's 1 3/4. Alright? This is how you do it for mixed numbers. Always change them to an improper number and then do the subtraction that way. Only do this with subtraction. Do not do it with addition, okay? Addition is straightforward. Now, there's other ways you could do it, but this is from experience the easiest way you could subtract two mixed numbers. Okay? So next we're going to do our practice exercises.